Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss how to install Go in Ubuntu operating system. So let's open the terminal. Now there you need to write this command sudo apt install go lang. Go lang, then go. This command you need to use the go lang go. Press enter, give the password. So here you can see installing Golang and this dependencies. Right there, Y, press enter. So this is now downloading some package and now fetching, unpacking the dev file. Here unpacking Golang and this dev file is there and reading total this number of files. So this here Golang that install. Let's use the create command. If I write there go version, so you can see go version or this 1.26 that install. Now if you write there go, then you can get this all command. Go bug clean get install, this all you can get there. Let's use the clear command. Thereafter I'm going to print this hello world program using the go. Let's use the plus and this here. So copying the code from package main, Control C to copy and Control V, Control S. So saving on this download section, let's give there hello.go. Press enter. So this is save, and thereafter if I write there ls, then you can see here hello.go file is there. Let's run this. So here we need to write this go run and give the file name hello.go. Press enter. So this is now here you can see hello world, this is displaying. Hello world content is there, so that hello world that's displaying. So this is the way we can easily install this Go inside the Ubuntu 26. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.